I take out one piece of stick. I'm reaching at the school. And I start beating on the ground. I say, look on! Look on! No! Look on! Me no mad! Me no! So me I swing the stick and I go on.
What's up, K&J family? Don't know there again with another
video.
Yeah, peeps, you don't know there again. You see me? And we're there to share a little story time type thing. You know, don't know anything already, man. So, me and Kean, or for those who are very English, Kean and I, you know, we don't talk them with it, you know, I feel like we're a fool in a
Yeah,
birthday.
we can speak spoken.
Understand? I'm very meticulous with my words, you know.
Aye.
Big word.
Aye.
You understand? Big word. Yeah, so we have a discussion the other day in the vehicle and thing. And we said, well, we need to share to them and see if we can drag back some memory with them and then make it. Don't go back down memory lane.
Yeah, we go down memory lane.
You see me? Memory lane, we have a memory lane. Memory lane.
Memory lane, I'm going a while ago, guys.
Don't ask me.
Memory lane.
Pandemic. Jeez!
You two are lame.
Yo! Yeah, people, so, we don't know, we don't talk about some school thing, you know, like we say, oh, prefer.
Age.
At what age?
School, prefer.
You know, with school, high school,
Primary
school, infant school, basic school. I mean, I said twice, but I mean,
Infant school, I guess, school,
whatever, I don't know. But, I don't remember too much when we about them little
basic
school.
You don't have like 1 and 2 times, like when we get married, when we got basic school, I got married, yes guys. So this is not my first marriage. I got married when I was about... I'm a bigamist.
Bigamist.
I got married when I was 4 years old. We had mud cake and we drove home and we actually moved on away on the grave because there was a grave in the school and we sat on it. And the two of us sat together and we got drove home whenever people move, as we say, go away. But
you drive home on the grave?
yes, man. Now did we care? Go in and I lock the door.
Oh, is it?
Stuff like that I remember from basic school. Like one time my mother did plug up my ear and put beads in it. I remember going like this. And I run up and down to the school and I remember pop off some buttons with the dip on my shoes. And my mother tell me, say she not buying the shoes for me. I graduated in it and I did.
The only thing you can remember, like at that small age, like, I think I was about 3 or 4 years old, going to school one morning. My granny used to carry me to one school near which part I used to live. You see it? And remember one time I walk on the sidewalk and one lizard jump off on one wall. That, remember that? Lizard jump off on one wall and somebody, you know that damn just was saying. So somebody say, you're pregnant!
Your mother is pregnant?
I'm like,
Andre,
pregnant? Yeah, man, Andre
come after that.
Andre after that, man.
Andre.
You see me, so, yo, you see sometimes some, them back in our days are some, what do you call them thing there? Myth or
superstition
or whatever we call it in Jamaica, yeah? Them thing, some of them things they never read, they're real.
The man like when them say pick me look and eat them food and stuff. And you know, so one time when we did younger, one lizard jump off of the grill for me, and everybody, oh, you're breathing, your mother will check you out and run up home.
Wow.
I never me have her, guys, I'm sorry. My mother ended up getting pregnant with Rana.
Yeah, but me,
right about that.
Me, you don't know about kids, but me prefer primary school because we have more fun and more, what do you call it, more friends.
Yeah, when I said primary school,
primary school is more enjoyable for me than high school. High school is okay still, you know, but it's more enjoyable at that time.
High school, they try too much things that go on with you when they go high school. They try to learn who you is, they try to learn about your body, all type of emotion and feelings and all type of things your body will go through, changes and one whole thing when you go high school. So you don't really have time to focus on fun.
Yeah, for real. You know?
find yourself in high school.
And another thing what we not talk about was the fact of like some like teachers.
Mm-hmm.
You know, as a teacher, some in my days of growing up. To me, teachers them time they did, I guess, spend a bit more time and effort with children in terms of making sure that they learn.
Mm-hmm.
Not saying all teachers know not do that, you know. You have good teachers out there. Where, you understand what I'm
saying? Like Miss Franklin, I would say like Miss Franklin take her time.
Miss Franklin.
She take her time out to come make sure even one child, she make sure that she
come forward and make sure
they get in time. So we give her thumbs up for that, thumbs up Miss Franklin for that.
Yeah, but you have some teachers where it's like I know they don't care.
Mm-hmm.
Like if you learn or not, it don't matter to them. Case in point. In high school, I remember teachers saying to me and even some of my classmates, bridging them. You understand what I say? Calabar music go for who? One. So a peer boy used to go to school. You see me? So some of my nigga them like the teacher them used to say, like them first remarks, some of them not all as me say. Now I try bash the teacher or nothing. But some of them remarks was, oh, the business you want to learn, you know, because I must get paid. Media work, so me have to get paid. So it's like them getting paid was more important to them than the child or the children, them actually learning. Mm-hmm. You understand? But the difference when we have a primary school, we have one teacher in one specific teacher in a grade 6 when we remember. A lot of teachers, you know, different teacher. Every grade you're going to get a different teacher. But remember Miss Powell in a grade 6. She did determined to make sure that the children when she responds for fair class, everybody have to be good at where she teach. Whether you don't have to be an A student, but you have to at least pass your test them and them to go with it. One time, remember, we never really pay attention in a class. You know, you kind of get distracted by a certain little thing. And she took the effort to take me like after class. Yeah, sorry about that. She take the time to take me after class. It wasn't like it was an extra class, but she never charged my parents or anything. And she take me after class and write some work on the board and thing. And I want to tell you, say, she drives so much fear in her students, not in terms of like she beat or whatever, but I guess children, we just, I don't know if we can say grow different or whatever, so we respect the adults that did different. If you're an adult and an adult talk to it, we are listening. You see what I say? And I want to tell you, she left the prefect with me in the class to ensure me to do the work. And you know now, maybe I could have just said, oh, this guy, you know, I'm not scared of no work. And that's why I like a prefect she left. We can go on with business. And I tell her, no, just the facts that I know, say, a morning when I forward at school, Miss Powell out there at school and let me know forward the work, it not go good. You see me? So I do my work, and then they go here and the hard work what she put in pay off, because not saying any school traditionally, Jamaican traditional high school, you know, you have the where some will say maybe better than some or whatever the case may be. At that time, I pass and I go do my GSAT, because I do common entrance in a 5th grade. Never work out because 6th grade. Then I do the last common entrance. And then we do the first GSAT. First ever GSAT. I was in that group of children from all different schools who do GSAT. And we do GSAT and go pass on to Calabar.
We never do common entrance.
Never common entrance.
Don't even know what it is.
So we get some experience in a common entrance and GSAT. You know, common entrance, you have 5 and 6th grade, the common entrance. And then you have GSAT now, you know, straight grade 6. You do that and pass out and go to different schools. You see, so I said that, I said this, teachers, we know it's rough, but You know what I'm saying? Try spend some more time with the youths them and help them, because I mean
that them go find a member say that on the job. You understand? To make sure say them learn. If there's a case where you try everything and the child now excel the same way, you speak to the parents and make them know that maybe they need additional help, but that's your job. You understand? I don't remember much going to school, primary school where work or some, I don't remember much at that, right? But I guess needed have some good teachers in mega school too, because I end up do my GSAT and I pass the Calabar as well, so it was a
we never see you.
Maybe a different time.
You never see you.
Maybe a different time. So you're all of that bit, so yeah, all you know, I remember playing, I remember getting stuff.
Tell the people which school you pass from.
Calabar! So I have green, I'm black, I rent my school.
Tell the people your school.
With school pass, I'm passed the Papi in high. And I did good on my exam. I did. I got 80s. I get 95. And one of them was 65. I did good on my exam. But them send me go Papi in. Them send most of the school go Papi in because they say it was in feeder school. So go Papi in for 1 year. Never work out at all. Because my mother decided say she will give me one shoes that she used to wear when she got work. And she couldn't afford to buy me a brand new school shoes. And the shoes was so ugly, guys. The shoes was so ugly that when I look up the word ugly in the dictionary, the shoes must be the side right. And the shoes are bigger than my foot. So I have to stuff it with the tissue. And pick my mother give me for wear at school. So you know, far back in the shoes, my foot there. On the front. And make me tell you, them give it to me. Then give it to me, then give it to me, go, then give it to me, come. I tell you, man, till it's like the whole school start giving me problem. But you could have done work and think with teacher, then they like me. So anything they want to do with the teaching or like, you know, help out in the class or anything, teachers them go up on trip and so them carry me, that make it worse, guys. That made it so worse. One time we have a competition, some radio station, they come over the school. And
that are the booger. So we are talking about booger them there. Booger shoes, booger boot.
They did have a radio station, they come up a pin and we did there and sing. And we did sing. And them was like, yo, we never know if they could have sing and be the things out of it. And I said, yeah, I said, everybody gonna like me now. The next day I'm going back to school though. That wasn't the case. Nobody still didn't like me. Mother buy me one new shoes. Then when we come to school nice shoes, they make fun of the shoes same way. Oh, Barrel come, oh, and they make fun of them.
They might keep it here, boy.
Yeah, man, they have to left. Remember one day a group of people run me down in a group of girls from the school, you know. Run me down, you know, because one of them friends, they give me some talking and thing and me push her, right? So me go fight her and so. When me look at the whole school, me see her come, me say, me run go away in a Papi Square. Me see one bus, me jump on it, me say, drive! Luckily enough, it was the right bus, so me just go home. The next day, I go back to school, me decide to listen. Them people are not trouble me no more. No. But I got one piece of stick. And I reach into the school, and I start beating on the ground. I say, no come! So I swing the stick and I go on and up for them not trouble me. For them not trouble me. I said, guys, a while they never trouble me. And I don't know, one day them just start trouble me again. And I beg my mother, and she decides she will change me. And I end up go Holy Trinity. Nah, that was a different story. It was a story for itself. But primary school, when I choose primary school still. Because primary school, you get a little pretty dandan them for go school, a little bossy friend. Yes. You get a nice little pretty bag. Your bossy shoes.
Yeah, boy.
You go to school, I show and tell you.
Yeah. I'm going to tell you, you know, so when I go to primary school. Hey, you see like all them big old bag there when I see all them little pick me and carry to school, you know, them we look like say it out to give you a back problem when you grow up. Not my style. when me have a primary school, me a cha-cha boy.
Aye.
You understand? My bag I feel light. So all book left at school.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So me a go
Higher
home,
one in back.
bag from back and neat up. When we in a grade 6, you know, because when we in a grade 6, we have a Bridgeport Primary, you know. We got Bridgeport Primary. You understand? Soaring to
Big up
excellence.
New Providence Primary.
We know that what name?
Motto.
Motto. Can't say name motto.
Here's the motto.
Motto. Me know that motto. Me know Jamaica one, but me know Bridgeport Primary one. You understand? Soaring to excellence. If you got the school, it's one big bird paint on it, and two little picnic underneath the bird foot. And you carry them, so you soar to excellence.
No, I'm not kidnapping people in Kenya. They need to change that.
It's not a pterodactyl. It's a regular, look like an eagle. But anyway, still,
Eagle can manage people.
when we have go, that one. when we have a school and thing, neat up, grade 6, you said, white shirt, you know, because when you have out them time there, you wear white shirt, and khaki pants, and tie. Neat up when you have a school bridging, because we want the Bridgeport High girl and see it. You see me? So when we have go out now, we take off the primary school time, because Bridgeport High, wear the same white shirt, and then we go.
Really?
What do you mean? You don't tell me anything about
Nothing
one.
but woman in a little young age, you know why? High school man.
High school girl, we are pre, we're not pre, like a primary school, grade 6 girl. High school girl, we are pre, we was a bus stop, take bus go we had. Then the time they about. Listen, we have grade 6, about $5 for bus fare. You see me? $5. Who know them time there? Like, give us some light down in the thing there. You see me? Who know when I $2, $1 for bus fare, $5 when I grade 6 for bus fare.
I don't know about bus fare.
You see me and walk out the road and, you know, go and see if you can flirt with two high school girls and them go away there, ping pong. You see me I said? I don't know. You see it? You mind mama? Yeah man, so when we have a Bridgeport Primary, you know, try to you don't know the thing already, you know, when you make the thing, you want to see bigger than you actually are, you know, so, you know, them time for me was fun time. You see me, neat up, I have to neat tuck in and look proper.
Yeah.
You see me, them time they were bleached, you know.
Guys, in mother, in granny alone wouldn't allow that.
Yeah, the man.
Should I oh, should be there?
What?
What's the color?
What you use bleach, regular soap where you use wash your hand. You look for your face, wash your face till your face does get white. I bleaching that for you, because you know it treat.
Dry what is
Yeah, I'm bleaching that, I say I'm bleaching that for we. So I don't know people are bleaching a long time bleaching thing I talk about it. That was bleaching for we, because our face look cool. Cake soap. I go wash my face with the cake soap.
Cake soap
Long time thing.
Cake soap washing face at high school days. You have the cake soap in your bag, tie up, your comb and your gel. Yeah? Me never used to have comb and gel. Cause you know, when I comb my hair, I saw it hand here as I did. I only pull up. So, as a matter of fact, I used to rock jerry curls. The jerry curls, my hair used to jerry curls. Yeah.
One incident when we can say at school, you know, say, I want to tell you 2 times. When we have a Bridgeport Primary, we get damaged still, you know.
Damage?
Yeah man, we get damaged. One time, the first damage we get, I don't know if you can see, it is one chop look like me with something, like with a barb and then like them give me a slash or something. It's not that. I don't know if we can see it downstairs. But when we chop, how you see it? Which one? Touch it. You pop out. And that's all. Okay, good. Right, that's all. We run going to one classroom. But we like trip over something and slide and lick up my face for one cheer foot and bust me right, that's all. We get, I think it was about 2 or 3 stitches to get from my eye right, that's all. And then another incident where me never bring no change of clothes to PE that day there. So PE with that one. And who did on the field, they run on the field, but you walk around a little bit further in high school and you can see out on the field and thing and couple of with out there and thing and PE done. So we now try to race who the PE to reach back around the class before them. So when PE done, now everybody took off Me, you know, was a boom and took off to one jump over a little fence. It never high, I never like a high wall. It was a little low fence, but there was a cut off garbage pan. A metal garbage pan there. And when we jump over the fence and realize that the pan there, we kind of do so, you know? And drop on the pan. Drop pan the pan.
Drop pan. You just drop pan.
On the pan. That's how we like it, yeah. And they get a nice chop.
Get a nice slice.
A chop that bread.
Get a nice slice of pan.
Isn't it? Get 12 stitches. You know that? 12. So you know it go. You know, say a big cut. Sorry, we can't really show you right now still, but you see it. So that was maybe like a, you know, a rough time, or maybe like a not so fun time at primary school, you know, but yeah. Fear the and them thing then, oh Lord.
So guys, thank you for watching the video. So stay tuned for part 2. Alright, so remember guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe and
share up the video.
So guys, stay tuned for part 2 of school time picnic school.